Hello world, and welcome to the Florida wilderness. Won't you join me in this adventure where we look for rattlesnakes, alligators, iguanas, and even chipmunks? Let's go. As I suspected, gravel. They're close. Be very careful. What was that?
Okay.
The coast is clear. Follow me over here. There's something I want to show the viewer back home. This is a spider's nest. Hundreds of millions of spiders sprinkled all over this and exploded. I would say no longer than 3 days ago. Be careful, there are millions of poisonous spiders everywhere now.
Why did you bring me over here?
Why
did you bring me over here?
This
Poisonous
is,
spiders?
God damn it,
Are you
this is
fucking
nature.
kidding me?
This is our passion, for fuck's sake.
It doesn't mean you have to endanger your cameraman's life.
Get that out of this. Get them out of here. Get them out of here. No, no shots of that. Only shots of nature. No. So yeah, this is all fake. The network actually pays me good money just to like bullshit around. I mean, most of these plants are really just paper mache. There's no actual vegetation or any matter in there. We get the animals from a shelter and zoo, and we just drop them in. When we're done shooting, we just filter them out, or we just let them there sometimes. You know, makes them more real for the next time. But yeah, I don't actually have a degree in zoology. That's yeah. You're not. This is off the record, right?
Yeah.
Shh. We have to be very quiet. Many people think this is plant. This is not plant. This is a reptile. A very, very poisonous reptile. As soon as we start talking very loudly, it will awaken and shoot needles all over your body. You'll be dead in no less than 1 minute. Be very quiet as we walk.
There is.
Fuck! No!
Tim! I think it was a bear. It was a bear. Oh my god.